Introducing the Kenmore DS1030 Cordless Stick Vacuum, a versatile cleaning companion designed to simplify household chores. With its lightweight and maneuverable design, this vacuum offers exceptional performance on both carpet and bare floors. Boasting 2-speed settings and a runtime of up to 45 minutes, it effortlessly removes pet hair, dirt, and debris with ease. Equipped with innovative features such as the EASYCUT nozzle and LED headlights, maintenance and visibility are optimized for a thorough cleaning. Combined with convenient storage and charging options, along with durable construction and efficient filtration, this vacuum promises to elevate your cleaning experience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. This vacuum offers impressive performance on both carpet and bare floors. With its 2-speed settings, it effortlessly tackles pet hair, dust, and dirt, providing a thorough cleaning in no time. The runtime of up to 45 minutes ensures ample time for cleaning sessions, while the ECO mode conserves battery for extended use. Number 2. Easy maintenance. One standout feature is the EASYCUT nozzle, which simplifies maintenance by allowing users to remove tangled hair and debris from the agitator with the push of a button. This eliminates the hassle of manually cutting pet hair off the brush roll with scissors, saving time and effort. Number 3. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing less than 3 pounds, the detachable hand vac of this vacuum is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for above-floor cleaning and navigating stairs. Combined with swivel steering, it effortlessly glides around corners and furniture, ensuring a deep and thorough clean throughout the home. Number 4. Enhanced visibility. Equipped with LED headlights, this vacuum illuminates dark spots, corners, and furniture, enhancing visibility for a more comprehensive cleaning experience. Users can easily spot and remove hidden dirt and debris, leaving floors immaculately clean. Number 5. Versatile accessories. This vacuum comes with a range of versatile tools, including a long crevice tool, a dusting brush, and a 2-in-1 combination tool. These accessories cater to different cleaning needs, allowing users to effectively clean various surfaces and hard-to-reach areas with ease. Number 6. Convenient storage and charging. The rechargeable 24V battery features its stand for convenient storage, along with a portable adapter for charging. With a quick charging time of less than 5 hours, users can easily keep the vacuum ready for use whenever needed. Number 7. Efficient filtration. Featuring a HEPA filter, this vacuum effectively captures allergens and fine dust particles, ensuring cleaner air and a healthier home environment. This filtration system enhances the overall cleaning performance of the vacuum, delivering exceptional results with every use. Number 8. Durable build and warranty. Constructed with quality materials, this vacuum is built to withstand regular use. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, users can have confidence in the durability and reliability of this cordless stick vacuum. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 12.01 inches length by 7.68 inches width by 44.09 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Kenmore DS1030 Cordless Stick Vacuum stands out as a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for modern households. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, and versatile accessories make it ideal for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. From removing pet hair to deep cleaning carpets and hard floors, this vacuum delivers impressive results every time. With convenient features like easy maintenance, LED headlights, and efficient filtration, it's a practical choice for maintaining a clean and healthy home environment. Overall, this vacuum offers a combination of performance, convenience, and durability that makes it a valuable asset for any household. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.